And these people, you know, and I gotta tell you, when you visit, you know, NASA facilities, or when you watch this show and you hear from these people, they are so professional. You have to wear this suit to get your oxygen. But now you are also MUFON's Director of Research.
Yes, I am.
Whoa.
Very excitingly. Yeah.
How long's it been since you've been doing that now?
I have been Director of Research, I think, grand total for maybe 3 months at this point.
Hi guys, I hope you're all well. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for clicking this video to watch. Hopefully you'll stick with me through to the end. A lot of you will be wondering why this video is quite late out. So this last 2 weeks, this last 3 weeks or whatever has been an absolute nightmare. A complete and utter nightmare. Like, I've had it rough, to be fair, and yeah, I can't go into too much detail because it's partly, well, it involves other people, but it has been pretty rough, and I've had a lot of down times over these last few weeks. I'm not going to get into too much detail and bore you guys about the ins and outs. As much as I would like to name, shame and voice my opinions, get my points across that I feel haven't been heard, these are personal matters in my personal life, and I don't feel like that's right to do that, name and shame anybody on the internet. Just take my word for it, it's been pretty rough and I've had a pretty shit 2-3 weeks. I really want to say a massive thank you to Justin at Mountain Beast Mysteries on YouTube. For any of my subscribers that have not seen Justin's work on Mountain Beast Mysteries on YouTube, please head over to his channel, check that guy out. He's a massive inspiration for me. The way he edits his videos in like a documentary style, the level of his work is inspirational to say the least. So Justin, you have helped me out massively. I never saw that coming. For those of you that don't know, Justin gave me a big shout out on one of his videos. And for somebody like me, a little YouTuber, the shout out that Justin gave me on his channel was mind blowing. Like, it was big, it's massive. He's got a huge YouTube channel, and I never asked him to do that. I didn't expect him to do that. I never saw it coming. But I really appreciate it. So Justin, if you're watching this, you are a top guy and I really do appreciate that, mate. Thank you so much for that, it means a lot. Okay, so one of the things that I'm really excited to announce and bring to the channel is the mascot. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce to you the new mascot. Alan! You can't find your face, Alan, because your eyes are too widely spread apart. Oh, Alan, I'll take it from here. Right, this is Alan Grant from Jurassic Park, and he is the new 401 Files mascot. Look how cool he is. He's got his little raptor claw in his hand and stuff, his little cowboy hat on. He's going to be attending all the explores with us, me and Junior, or when I go out on my own. Solo, wild camps, bushcraft videos, you name it, spooky church, investigations, anything to do with UFOs, anything like that, he will be with us, alongside us. And we're going to hide him in the video, and whoever sees him and comments first in the comments box below at what point during the video you saw him, we will send you out a free giveaway. That giveaway could be a box full of little goodies, stickers, pens, memorabilia, merchandise, whatever. Or it could be a big lump of hefty dog shit. I'm only joking, it won't be that one. Hopefully the idea of looking out for little Alan will make the video that bit more interesting. Alan! I'm really interested in finding out what you guys think to the new addition to the channel, the new Alan, the new mascot, Dr. Alan Grant. Hopefully you guys will think this is a cool idea. Hopefully you will all be really excited about looking out during the video to find him and claim that free giveaway. I want to get your opinions. We're quickly approaching 1,000 subscribers. This is a big deal for me. It's a big deal for the channel, and hopefully you guys will help me celebrate it in some way, shape or form. You can give me ideas and suggestions about what you'd like to see for the 1,000 subscriber mark. Maybe me do a video in fancy dress, or maybe it's a location, or maybe both, who knows. Junior is caught up with work, family life and a few other things at the minute. There's no telling when Junior will be next out for the next video. I'm not going to hold him to anything. I'm not going to say that he'll be out on this date or for this explore. Junior will just be out when he's out, but you will always see me out exploring, doing the things that I do, and when Junior comes along, that will just be an added bonus. He does send his apologies for any of his little fans that want to see him trip over his laces. It's just one of those things. Family life and work for Junior are really hectic at the minute. Until next time, please take it easy, look after yourselves. By all means, look after yourselves, don't get yourself in trouble, don't go hurting yourself or anybody else. Give someone a hug, subscribe, click that red button, like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment in the comments box below, and catch up with me next time when I'll be out exploring some crazy fucking shit. Peace.